For the following sequence, state the next three terms. So the point of this question is figuring out what happens from term to term here. So what's going on from term to term? How does 5 become 8? How does 8 become 11? How does 11 become 14? Well, you can see pretty clearly it's just adding 3 every time, isn't it? It's just adding 3. So the next term, just add 3 again. It's going to be 17. Add 3 again. It's going to be 20. Add 3 again. Going to be 23. Then it says state a formula for the nth term. So we need to know, actually let's just come down here and answer, is it arithmetic, quadratic, geometric? What's the deal? Well, arithmetic is when it's adding or subtracting the same number each time. And geometric is when it's multiplying or dividing the same number each time. Quadratic in other cases are more complex. We're just going to go with, it's either going to be arithmetic or geometric. Or it could be neither. I'm not going to give you quadratic. So, what's the story with this one? We are clearly adding the same number every time. So we're adding, so we're arithmetic. And arithmetic formula, remember the arithmetic? Now that we know it's arithmetic, we grab the arithmetic formula. A sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d, where this a sub 1 is the first term. D stands for the difference or the jump from term to term. And n is the term number. So what's our formula then? A sub n equals a1, first term, 5, plus n minus 1 times d. What's the d? What's the difference or the jump from term to term? Well, that's the 3. So now we're going to distribute this 3, clean up this formula. 5 plus 3n minus 3, so a sub n is 5 minus 3, 2 plus 3n. So 2 plus 3n. That's the formula that produces those terms. So you can check it out. If you plug in a 1 here, you'll get 2 plus 3 times 1, which is 5. You get the first term. If you plug, let's jump down. This is the first term, second term, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So let's go all the way to the 7th. Plug in a 7. Plug in a 7. You get 2 plus 3 times 7, 2 plus 21. Sure enough, 23, the 7th term. See how that formula is working? It'll give you any term. You could find the 100th term right now. That is the correct formula for giving you the nth term. And we got it by using the formula that we learned for an arithmetic sequence, because that one's arithmetic.